Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be putting two popular dash cams head-to-head, the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the 70mm Dash Cam M300. Get ready because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit comes in at a budget-friendly price of just $29. That's a steal. On the other hand, the 70mm Dash Cam M300 is priced at $59.
Now that's a bit higher, but remember, you often get what you pay for.
When it comes to video quality, both dash cams have their strengths. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit offers a high-resolution recording with its upgraded second-generation technology. But the 70mm Dash Cam M300 takes it up a notch with its 1296p QHD resolution. That's almost 1.5 times clearer than standard 1080p dash cams.
So if you want those license plates and road signs to be crystal clear, the M300 has got you covered.
Now let's talk about those special features that make these dash cams stand out.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit boasts 24 hours of surveillance, even when your car is turned off.
That's some serious protection.
But wait, the 70mm Dash Cam M300 has something up its sleeve too.
It comes with parking monitoring and a built-in G sensor, so you'll never miss a potential incident around your vehicle. Safety first, right? Ease of use is always a crucial factor to consider. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit offers easy installation with its simple hidden wiring, keeping your car neat and tidy. Plus, it works with most car models.
On the other hand, the 70mm Dash Cam M300 has time-lapse recording, compressing hours of footage into minutes. It's like a time machine for your dash cam.
Just keep in mind that the Hardwire Kit is sold separately. Last but not least, let's talk about memory capacity.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit supports various devices like dash cams, mirror cams, GPS navigators, and radar detectors. It's like the Swiss Army knife of dash cam accessories. Meanwhile, the 70mm Dash Cam M300 supports high-endurance micro SD memory cards from 16 GB up to 128 GB. So you'll have plenty of space to store all those epic road trip moments.
The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the 70mm Dash Cam M300 bring their A-game when it comes to dash cam technology. Whether you're on a budget or looking for top-notch video quality, both of these products have something to offer.
Remember, it's all about finding the perfect fit for your needs.
Well, there you have it, folks. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the 70mm Dash Cam M300 bring their A-game when it comes to dash cam technology. Whether you're on a budget or looking for top-notch video quality, both of these products have something to offer.
Remember, it's all about finding the perfect fit for your needs. That's it for today's comparison. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful product comparisons.
And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.